In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your current tax return as a PDF on TurboTax. If you want to keep a digital copy of your return for your records, this is a simple process and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Saving your tax return as a PDF can be helpful for future reference, sharing with an accountant, or storing it securely alongside your other important financial documents. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax account and that you're on your main tax return screen. From there, look for the Documents option in the navigation area and click on it. This will take you to the section where TurboTax stores downloadable files and tax-related records connected to your account. Once you're in the Documents area, you'll see an option labeled View Documents From. Go ahead and select that. This menu helps you choose which set of documents you want to access. So if you have files from more than one tax year, this is where you can make sure you're viewing the correct return. Take a second to confirm that you're looking at the current tax return before moving on. After that, find the document you want to save. Next to it, you should see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots to open the available actions for that file. This is a common place for platforms like TurboTax to hide extra functions, such as downloading or managing a document. When the menu appears, click Download. TurboTax will then begin downloading the current tax return as a PDF file to your device. Depending on your browser and settings, the file may either download automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose where you'd like to save it. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to open the PDF and quickly confirm that it's saved correctly and contains the information you expected. If you organize financial records by year, you may also want to rename the file and move it into a folder where you can easily find it later. That's all it takes to save your current tax return as a PDF on TurboTax. It's a quick but important step that can make your records much easier to manage. If you're keeping copies for long-term storage, consider saving one version on your computer and another in a secure cloud location or encrypted drive so you have a backup if needed.